Maxie, on the boat. Good boy. Here, come here. Here. Here, baby. Here. Sit. Good Maxie. Good boy. Hey? Yeah. Good job. Alright, this is it, team. The last episode in the stand-up paddleboard series build. I'm actually on the SUP. I've got Max here with me. We're cruising around. It's pretty ironic. When I started filming this, it was in winter, and the day I shot the intro, sunny, winter's day. It's in summer, and check it out. It's cloudy, it's miserable, it's windy, which is why we're on the shitty end of the creek down here. All right, so let's get stuck into this episode where I glass the bottom of the SUP, and that's about it. I mean, after I did that, I obviously did some sanding and some varnishing, but you know, you guys don't want to see that. You can watch the sanding and varnishing video anywhere on YouTube. This is just about building this up. How you finish it is up to you. So here's the last episode. Who's that, Max? Can you hear a dog? Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Maxie, jump off, buddy. Off you get. Good boy. Hey. There it is, guys, back in the workshop, and there's the SUP. Pretty happy with how it turned out. I mean, it gets plenty of attention everywhere I paddle. You know, people are saying, that looks cool, mate. Did you make it yourself? You know, it's awesome. Is it made of balsa? I tell them, no, it's made of ply from the hardware store, and they're just sort of blown away. So yeah, pretty stoked with how it came out. On the underside, I've got a real old school style fin, which has been filleted and fiberglass and epoxied in. This is all fiberglass on the sides there. I've just given it a wash, which is why she's a bit wet. It's got a bung here to let the pressure out. That is an absolute must do. I had the board on the roof when we were going camping, and there was no way for the pressure to release. And it was 44 degrees Celsius, which is a bit like, it's over 110 degrees Fahrenheit. And the thing started swelling up, and I had to take one of these screws out. That one there, I think it was. Took that screw out there to let some air out. As soon as I took the screw out, it just had this massive hissing sound. So if you're building a SUP, make sure you put the bung in, and when you do, make sure you put some sealant under here. You can see I've got some sealant in there to stop any water from going in. Sometimes if I'm paddling just in flat water, I'll have the bung sort of halfway screwed in, so it lets the air out and breathes anyway. If I'm going in the surf, then of course, all the way tight. But I'm not supping, it is completely undone like that. Got a handle in the middle. Super important that you get a handle, sorry, there it is. Got a handle in the middle. Really important that you get a handle that has 4 screw positions, because you're going to be carrying this thing and you want to make sure that this doesn't move around and it's nice and strong and it doesn't pull out. Bungee cords up the front. This is just some webbing which has been folded over in here, and then a stainless steel screw and a cup washer so that it spreads the load on the webbing. Bungee cord, and then just some cable ties here to connect it all together. My alternative was to use some heat shrink, but never found any. So I had some cable ties lying around, and that's what I used. But that's it, looks great. Really happy with how it turned out. Really happy with how it paddles on the water and all the attention it gets. So that's it, thanks for watching. Really appreciate everyone getting behind me on this project. There's been so many people liking and asking questions, and of course the subscribers and all the people I've sent the plans to. I can't wait to start seeing your own projects and how the SUP's coming along, you know, the way you do it. And you know, it's really shareware. However you want to modify it, it's fine by me. This is not the end of the videos. I've got a video of me testing the SUP out on a river, and a video of me catching a mud crab with this thing, which is pretty cool, pretty delicious as well. But thanks for watching, guys. If you like the videos and the series, like the video, subscribe to my channel, get a free copy of the plans, and I will see you in the next one. All right, team, take care.